I'm going to tell you, you haven't seen anything as easy as pin weaving. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. This is a pin weaving board right here. And I have put on the bottom here, you want to make a, whatever size your placemat you want to make, you just put your placemat sides there. You use fusible interfacing. You put the fusible side up. So you're going to put the fusible side up and you're going to lay your strips above. So if you look at this right here, my strips are laid, just started laying right above this, that line right there. Okay, so I'm going to put strips all the way across, and then I'm going to start weaving these strips through. And I've already got one started here. And you're just going to take and pull. This one goes under, over, under, over, under, over, under. The next one will go under, over. So this one goes, so what I do is I pull all of the ones that are under, I pull them up, and that one's actually not involved. Lay it down, put them down. And do you see how this is coming along? Do you see how you do that? Very easy. Then you go to the iron and you press this on. Now what's going to happen is when you press this, you're going to end up having some of these still loose because they're over top of each other, but that doesn't matter. Just keep them pinned. The neat thing is that once you press it, you've got it on this fusible interfacing, and it will be all real nice and flat, and it'll be easy to work with. Then I just decorative stitched. That's all I did. Just decorative stitch, put some, this is a great time to use your sewing machine and do all the decorative stitches. You've never known what they look like. If you want to do heavy stitches, if you want to do light stitches, any kind of stitches that you want. And so what else can you do with this great square? Now this one is a 20 by 20 square. Well, let me show you this. This is a little purse that I invented out of one square. It's called Square One. How original. And all it is the way that I made this purse is just turning up the points and turning up the side, and then I have a little handle. This is just only a round ring. That is it. It is not that hard to do and hard to find. These are just regular little rings that you can find at the hobby stores.